abagusi Global Radio mbuyamono sana sengencho yogo idachinsa chino go chalero tobwata magani wisiko naende umagani wo kumisano korunka aliseito oyo minto Paul Matagaro nigo Paul Matagaro achire abwata mangana mangili tanga nintarachi kogenda ningora sabera abaminto kote inga mbiyamona bagaka baminto asimotegere tinkongo chense Happy Father's Day ntoba sigete ni numo to traga iga naende twabasabira mayasi bali nonya nabatabwati abana bali chifather figure twara good Father's Day especially abagaka baminto mo Matthew Seredi iga Happy Father's Day naba abaminto bonsi bali abayiboli minto ntiri Happy Father's Day for the great egasi engiya okokora mono. Oyo minto Paul Matagaro karibu sana korwa umuchumbe korbo basi una kibwirire mbuya mono sana
ayo no bwakira iga gusi
ngusi aktorire
Matagaro korbo nchali
mbuya mono yo minto Paul Matagaro korbo nchali asengencho yogo toali bageli gocha na go chadiriana n'abantu baminto gaiga America mbuyamono sana oyo minto otarachi kogenderera nabokora ruwa introduction inkayera abantu baminto bamanye igore ya akego kelio taito kubatebi nga kyokoro kwa naende nga yokoru naende constituency yao kwato tebiri mbonchali naende orara te abaminto
abagusiba minto nchengero ku Paul Matagaro kurubonchali ngeno monchali kabisa nandi na politician nabere tebego chikura ko mwaka 2002 mpaka 2007 akabona nandi minto nase abachali obuga aboke
oyo minto
nagando
kendra ni Paul sana so gukona cyana ukubori nka ase etigeti nereri yogo soera
wana ntini pesho cyama giko ku Kenya National Congress ekiro cy'ubwate arama yereke ngo yame cyo le patron na Peter Kenneth yotemene kuchikura so president so mwakoli arete zano ande cyame cyete ngo kira izore ebintu binge bitatu kala kanatin bonchali bibungire inchengo kubigera kubungeke
mbuyamana sana oyo minto Matagaro ase watabanga no ole ase primary bono ga sibaho chikochora primary nga ki oroche akara wase sire na ki oroche nga no wate amatumaini ko iru ase primary eyo naenda abantu mbarenga muri
hasi chikuro chigacha bonchari aboke naande nindo kingambi ande se cyara nindo atamana maya etora abantu batana babiri lakini ase akabamba tujishara kingi ande kinga naonde se asagara nindo number 1 ngavu number 0
mbuyamana sana tutarachi koyenderera sengenje nga amangana y'abantu rende yani munaino chi politician kero monde karata ete gocha kobolio obochumbo weiga no wato mopango korato tebinge plan yo wate naende ngaki plan yawe tikobeta bauti kubwa abantu abonsi piba kobolia twango plan yawo ase muno uchikokora etikobeta bauti kubwa abachumba abandi bakubona
ndiyamono sana cyagera nje mbwate plan ndiyamono kubwa abandi bafite ibintu bitanga kabisa nje unante nimete nimbuate manifesto ye tabu keliya batega nkingo cyokara kubunchali ye tabu ye manifesto ninche ye kambuate manifesto ye asaga ntensi kuto nitezapana babiri ngameze manifesto yo ye tabu keliya batega mutomo ginange cyo yati bunchali yake batera mono amana ya muwala sayani the youth amana ya women amana ya bukubo yani borimi amana y'ikisukuru amana ya bagende y'iki para ibintu bingi ndi yake manifesto present abantu basoma irinde baranganga ki inde tofauti kwa abandi bari bakubukira
ase egetabike kiauri gete university yao egetabike watebire ukwa negore yechi youth abasubati na farming ne school ne chipara nona ara gutotebya keigo abantu babiri ntete kumanyanga asichi youth bunabono igabunka gasinchiyo maita abantu bakoze university bawate degree chiroya lakini batabwate chigasi asichi youth university ya onke goteba nchire kyocho ko konye chi youth cheito egere barusi ko gose batware something baokora egere mbai karansa buna bawate degree bai karansisko
ese youth ngira napangire iyo bunango cyera kikure kigatarashi matatu mu university iyo nate birenga babe amo barasi kiguru youth group babe amo kiguru kikize kiga registered asima yabo panga ndole mbabe kamo ngadinye bitanye file abatanga ki project how kibe essentially chikuru kuchia youth fund kibe jinde chikuru kuna uwezo fund kibe jinde cha magandro cha development na CDF aba youth ndiba bako bavusa identify ki project akole na ndi kibe chikuru assessor hali kali chikuru asinde chikuru assessor hali chagara serikali yere tayari wakonya youth na kikyo koranga nyonye Kenya ya tebirenga esi chikore likokurukanga chipenda che serikali cha Kenya nzima cha zoi serikali ya tebirenga 30% ya tenda cha serikali cha youth na women abuno wonende ahead ko bwaba bonke kiagera abazantalite na kigasi nde teveke project project mechi nyinge na vengo ke yokoro nyene che magana yechi ngoko na go tuga chinyo nini bintu bingi kiwa se serikali kipane de youth in Monchali elinde varo chiwe abande mbanyore enkolika kigasi ngire ngocha koro kufuata kira ni kiwe da kutoka ikiwe ndali kiwe ikira ngane ki factor ngire nda kutenga check process na agricultural product ibintu binezi yuturwe jobs nane karango da korosya ibintu binge na kipara ncharo siyo kipara nchali tsali sana tunabona mbele tuande peyeweta abuyitindara bala mkoro so asema sasa nanga tanga abandi nindike na abandi bakore kigasi chiki project kigase kikoyate serikali bagityana asigo yuti ngubate itaga tayari inangura kikure kiza omupinyi za tarishina tatu wanzire mutinyo saba antaje tuko antegas kiro montaje busy inda yetina to you anyere ababu idol because I do mind I do have evil mind become evil mind igonte na kitatia nantange to youth asimotegerete ivonta kutenga mombo atisi tokarega kichali eve tofauti kwa abantu bandi bakubulchikura nchali.
Okay, oyo minto matagarumbi yamono sana watevira mangana yechi yuti lakini mayete abanda bangi chi politician chinyinge bataragenda kuchigora ari nabo bako promise egenda basongwa nga promise heaven lakini bago ikali bachibeba kabisa njera kyora nyara ko te abantu baminto nga egende kyo te ngano chiyuti chikobwate si ne njera kyora nyako bakikisa nga kweli chigasi cyo te ngano cho onyore nando goteba ngano cho o create yani onyore funds kurese serikali ngiye kogera era beta bauti singenga abantu bandi nabalo bachiroro nakwo gotena nabo bandi bakoro baroro se bachiroro mbabwa tinjera ngakibata barobotana kubulchi besese botsinyore kurwe serikali ayenjera kiwoto kuchibolia egere chinyale goto kurwe serikali wocha se chi youth cheito eri chikobeta bauti kubwa abantu bandi bachi politician chindi chachiroro
nakingo tegeranga nche no muntu munga kabisa ivonta kituvu nchali manyanga umuntu nara olengere tuvu nchali bija ikiazera abaiga viongozi kana babo chora mbaipelengero lizo ya yif mbaipelengero ya mwana ya magendra ivonta no malibravo kara babo chora CDF yani cha appropriate chi project va kara chi vesi chi yani ga kudere usine tarabali karasi eza shira to like 10 million per kilometer ya spend 3 million per kilometer ayo nyumba bali kwaga nyumba gukos kudere usine hall yali usuko kwaga yesu kuri ibona tekori million ya kuri ya million double ili chanyara banyara amangakeli inche igonde tofauti na vekiri the youth wherever they campaign the youth ngoba tezina vijana na wasichana mkae tayari tukianza kazi Julai mwaka huu ndipo ikira inalengese redio kukumwezesha mto umuntu wengere konga intafia kambo ngayo zobona toko tiga vijana ambao koleza ndio ngataranga they must work because serikali ya toire power it's only that kabaida leaders waka hizo kale ndalika kwa basi hiyo ndio is just corruption too. I want us to have the end of your understanding. They are even the ones suggesting some of the things they want me to do. Igo ataramu abana b'university abandi bakore tukigasi batavuga tukigasi abandi bantu tunyanye ibintu byazara cyake akini batavuga support kwa leadership nche ni rule ene ryanga ntenene itozia banchali bito youth abasa tokorezasi emyaka yote tangane someone of one child is supposed to be led into it now kuingira kwa miaka ya
mbuyamana sana bono asiki yuti chintaraenda ko uri soligoro yaba abasubati gekogera chiyuti chiga buna bono no chibegeta already amo mbage ndrete ko kubwati sino gendete okora o campaign yega
ya sana youth ukikonyora opinion poll asibu nchari bono is a youth vonsi avange yani the youth I am supported with the youth asibu nchari they then followed by women followed by wakati kiara wakaka avange wajaramba mtimonto ndoga waranga wazo pesa wazo government waka paid leaders in charge of the champion around the 10 years in whatever to government to care environment because it's a way to run in charge of the ngokunyinga kuchinje kubona abantu kabiri babo kwanira abantu abatari kurate mu matagara balingana a difference to run this constituency in a different way.
Mbuya mana sana mtu matagaro asa basubati umete onye toramanya nabonda gotenga nimbate beri ninganji toko asa amangana y'abasubati sengintu nimete ngekere kwa iru musubati kwa moire kisemi naende kwa moire economic empowerment yani kwa moire ngenda gwe konyera na barabungo konya bari village none ki village kitu cyanyara kubabuya inchera ki obange to konya bangina igaya bonchali egera banyare ko bita bauti egera banyare ko konya none abana babo n'abantu barangasi bari
yamune ni ase bonchali ebiyonde ngoto by'abasubati konspirasi n'ubutanga ku campaign kugenda kanisa jonsi angoto bino abasubati ebiyonde byabo bunanko ire kikureki yaje tayari kigurupe yani kigurupe ebiyonde by'abasubati barejeste ariyo community kibari bizabone certificate Canada certificate corporate and the Abasubati to identify the project apparently made bank and America and the primary project consultancy research project identify project go in a writing language of Chipuru Page Avamina, women groups, the Sabi and the Yavamina. Avadapari Lika, Erecture, Avadapari Chica, Karma Vera, and Pinawonko, Govana, Koak, and the Selling the Kali Kovu. Baka running of a registry, Raja. Abandi Barakan Ramba Money project, project key, that I told the coin. I wanted Baratamanici, and the since is the Matamana project, I want to that either area user, a project you have a coin, make a user. And may your correct the service, go so correct. No one is as you make it so project identification can allow identify all they need motivate women fund ways of fund actually provided as at now use as a Niko Tayari it is just leadership that I do. Jina would a family tonight and the what they joined. I didn't want to find out working at the dozen or a way of handy. Meaning the Kuredi corner, and I want to work as a team as a good child. Together, I'm going to understand the other. If I can take a Kureki, the apparition of that room. I will change to the one and the one and Kura to answer that.
Asi omayete oyo minto matagaru tindi ko bonchali mono lakini asi bonchali matabu sino ti manyeti mono lakini chinya gitali imowate chinya gitali ne chiskuru chisaine naende onye mowate chisaine mopango kyowate ko beka none nyagitali wera kwanya abantu ba minto kusiabu ose chiskuru inchera ki mopango kyowate Ele tan Pamela obare mugaka. Ankoro ku Pam mugaka.
Pamela. Ambiamo Pamela. Ora che tavu chiano chinate, amana china vitali. Amana chikuru. Ibondegete isege tavu ya. China vitali. Chiroro. Ati facilities ina gitali mere na ekuru kai korina majindo uka inchenya inera upgrade kinya gitali kere sa blockation kitrini kirara techiatsukuru alisi chiro nyagitali ekiara at least nyagitanda ekiara majo waisaine ekiara laboratory ekiagara abantu kibabwate hafiyengiya negasi ndilagabokora asego napangire ebyonse kibombege asego cyane kutima festa ibo nsali bunaye pamera otaracha engatinere ngocha kugochike kerawa ikire kenye yito nayo tebo nsali I wish kwalwe tabona and it after 2 years kare tofauti ya Paulo Matagaro na kugamba naenda kombe na kale bali bakavera
mbuyamona sana oyo minto Matagaro asingencho amangana yogoto amaya bono watebire nga nchengeta buno nchencho gochana bongo etandararora eyendo keniki ndete gukoboli muna ntu bono tometega diaspora ika America ndiba tukumanyanga inchera ki otete kuchigoto involve n'abantu tomenyetega America ekwara nimenyete nonya tindi ko rubonchali ekere ngo kwanegoro ya gusiyo mine tinga nabongo konyo ndi wensi gusi te kubwate kana ngatali ras maru sinkuru inchera ki ogocha kwengechi wose kubwate abantu ogocha kwengecha into abantu ba diaspora egere tunyare kubwatirana kurwabu nagaiga tunyare konya abantu ba minto
nakyo na vekire nyo sema sege tawiki nga funds esebuza semika kati limpa bitaba abantu bana bakore na vekire nga funds nabagira RCCB health ikintu kiri serikali ikintu kiri ase abantu be diaspora and the well wishers ikiagara abantu barurirenga nyakuri diaspora kemwarurirenga omubakorega igazege tamangana igana naende murecho practical nyana abantu baine bakoriye diaspora bagwetsa gochali bakarra project y'umubakora zira bakakabaiza amenya abantu nabaiza igaganya magundo for example gusiriana usema ateguchi yabe igabunere eshopful bagwateneye let's come together to support financially. So the diaspora tinanye tigaisiko inero one part of the financing kuranyole ikiagara abantu be diaspora bakonyere sana ahange ikiagara kumandire mukura icyaro Kenya mukorera ashingiye sana isoko konya finances esekira constitution asebona bonchali no the next destination azitomoje elinde mwalo na nkinda ngata bonchali tafadhali na mokezi na Paulo Matagaro na roido chikura tarishina tatu omuchenyo yosika tafadhali tufanye kazi pamoja ikiagora inaweza kushirikiana ndio
oyo minto Paul Matagaro mbiyamona sana singenche yamangana mayogotwa egendo kenida yaro comment Paul bunantu diaspora and I will talk on behalf of diaspora ndo bati plan chinyinge to gotaka gokonya ekwara abantu turabangera turi chi professional turabanyagitari tukabachi different professionals na boto gotaka to chinkaga abu to konya abandi tubate abandi bakora na IT computer no wano yominto nyangenya na rete chi computer ngokora andi ne organization to koleta abanyagitari bacho baruwali abantu busa utoratore obokon ko communicate n'abantu baminto in that ekaro konyoranga abantu bunabona bali asubugambi buna yego saba barorori diboniga mbali gotwara easy time wose go communicate easily none minto twaretire ngaki cyo gutwara egendo ko accountability onye to deciding ko rutore chibesa chigo konya go chabu osto deciding go cyo nkore cyo tore koleta abanyagitari bato korwari how are we gonna ngaki cyo gutwara accountability na abantu abakire ko diaspora baretire ibindo ko diaspora ngo enda bire asibita kere kogenda
ndiamana mwana minto tamela number 1 ekina kiwa naende ndije transparency, accountability and equity as a voluntary evinto ipange tengoza okora maiso mararo vona vinese evitavu indire diaspora mokurara tachichikuru chinde ivusi apparently voluntary murapanga onye mwaka wego it was not announced. In Jehovah communication in any areas of high level, a Kiagera in mention media say manifesto and even with communication with my people, with the constituency level, and even in parliament. If you suggest even the parliament regarding I want the diaspora to see, I will be speaking. And even another video want to write about in charity. Can have location around so that leaders will identify what is supposed to be done and what is needed in charity. So that we are all transparent. I think what we want to do to very combo, they bring me honesty. Now keep on handling people, even for whatever CDF, someone to manage all the funding. I'm not going to pick each sub-location, but I'm going to care honest. Apparently, Parliament has with my Chikura, the most honest, the most reliable. I have no history of anything bad. Equal accountability in the Morocco to compute every time any other system. No energy bas and chi diaspora. No energy scholarship. If you get the diaspora, this time I want to work in Jeremy to come to the panel accountability, number one. I am a Mexican Marian, and I keep the crimes and side Marian Tanganich in our Naya, Nama Potential accountability, a causing a Kiagarana in Moa, a Chimua colleague, ever some more colleagues of Ligan to a collector, you even do more. You are encouraged. So that is what I want, Pamela.
Thank you so much. Mbiyamono sana. Ikendukenengelina Paul sana nga binto bikonya korwa America none bitabu mbireka goche constituency yeno. Abantu baito batategerete korubonchali usually umanye dendo ke kobankelinga abantu abange bawe identify abaruro runanche nkuru bari masaba iyo inkorwa se omo rayone ni gakoro kunga kwana Paul sana rayone ni gakoro kunga nyari bari masaba mugakoyo ngekwa nakoro kwa mtalaki na mwebire anyway mosomi sorry. Oh, again, don't get in. Usually, abantu bakoru auto identify mostly as okuru. Igo iyere byabantu baminto bunabono injemona to identify mosomi nyekimwat something which okonya koru ase a constituency yane egere moe. Na motiving this is what it is. Igo no na baminto batotegerete koru a constituency yao. Iba wenete kumanyanga bono onyenyesaga ochikogochora na ochikobomorai. Babwenete ko in touch naye egere barana project kichira konye egere chaplift abantu baminto although bunanje I will tell you and I will promise you onye their projects chikokonya bana banyaruka. I am very tindi mondo resist but I like kokonya bana banyaruka because bunanje when I have given this opportunity my mom ta somete lakini asenje na have given this opportunity na kiko yarande kinde igo also utwala chi project chikokonya bana banyaruka please nabo wena toto tevi oyo minto ala sorry
ekyo na kirevia Pamela wana njewana manyetenje na kingo tegera nganga nankuira injengo na abantu zingukambeni ngatezinga I am going to work inwe njengo raichanda America nonche nikonya karabali gutangasa ngatura mujirana agenga igo inutuliko batika noru nyari bali noru nyamira wapi ntagete diaspora group nye capitalize kiagara bonchanya ro yairani de maiga mono etari konyaro etari geisha ine byekurese diaspora. I am willing to travel you but not to travel ile ndaya travel ile konya abantu gane ande karabande baro kanire baro igo naembara zvinobaragadisa chanda lakini mimaitembia muri kalioko chana imere willing kukonya vantu vaine kusiva naituko yake
mbuya mono sana ntoni willing lakini tikanaende ndakuyo minto matakaro ase egento kene ntete kumanyanga abantu baminto ndire ba mokoenda osabantu bakoenda parliament kwanyora bakara ba ukwana na bano ukwana buyara kinekara ba ikire parliament baenda bakira nonye yani mondo ta ukwana tago fight for their constituency ina kyura kole ko takogenda kwendole for example chere etiquette whatever o chera ya Kenya
National Congress,
yes. Ekero wuchi kwendoro, let's say for example wachire n'abantu already no manyete na government yekugamba n'ingao ngaki wuchi go cross the aisle egere nayo bwe onyorege toriki wuchi okonya abantu bamino matali egega bonchali wuchi okonya abantu bamito bonchali injera ki mupango kyubwate wuchi go cross even if toli in the other no nyotoli e party the ruling party right now injera kyubanga wuchi go cross asa serikali yes
wana pamero nito egentege tangani ase bonchari ma treasury abantu office egocha go konya go identify mono is the bonchari office yero sunek. I want number 1 namba kisimichiana chirimbwata kisimichiana njinarude na karanga anda chiri kwata ye namba ya 0722999496 enambe yiga kwa kana ile chikura kiro mundu will want to call me enambe yana na nyofire nereza kwa the office phone ya bonchai intware niwe kanda system yekwende switching system muntu waka sekretariya nyora yawe kama ngana tukiro muntu kunatopange to UNGC in management you have to have the vision of whatever we anafanya abanchari yamanye komikera kireke nyerubuna nate wakiye pange to na leaders hata widen igento kete fulani na kieta kero kwa kane asiyetega bionzo byariko kikeke ngire kikwera so bali ba ku receive call share the transfer na kikeke ngire cyake pakase. So I like a few items come to me, but when there is a direction in management, kero muntu nabogole barabasoti ya utemangana ya abantu bane. Igo the voluntary office is going to be one of the best. Ekiara nyame website, can you imagine Palmera in this digital stage? We are doing a voluntary constituency website. If we are going into project yete wakora kana yete yaikira project yete tra kora kana attach of a battle. Can you imagine at this age we are people child constituency website where you can only the diaspora so what ni kwa mananga matagaro mheshimiwa matagaro a project area na matari onekiriga like this contractor no. We don't have that. Can you imagine at this age?
Yeah,
we don't have a database. So, Palmera, engineer bunge, igonda avengo kwana ngaitilia serikali, njiweka kwana, njiweka njiweka kare na wana wa kwani wane participate nini, and I expect to participate only as a parliament, especially Akaranda Kuru and Ravan Tuvan. Again, the Yuga Kenya encourages Tinkerina. Amyake Yetato, Ingo Etande, Yakabs, Nanya Kurumata, Manda Palmera, Kaya Rambo, Weka native Naked Queen, Kuetande, Oyandande, Oti Jubilee, Neramba, Evin Tinkerina. They say the current government is very much a constituency in the Tarikia, yes, or a little bit of Kai. Even now, the position, now that's all a constituency, a due to constituency, it will be under me, and the things I want to be fair to our child, it will be the best. management of the constituency.
Mbuya mono sana. Wona into ke nawo kubo umete mata wakuthele enduku yane no amete bonchali yabo umwalimu James Nyarunda ubale. Umete mubate ke tikendege mata abo. Eke tikendege inchera ki oroche ke tie kendege kirache kotokonya gosinchera ki kirabe lifted na kero kikebe tie ki kendege asigusiye ito ege kogera na kebaskere na bage gotokonya inchera ki oroche ke tie keiga osakogenda ora fight for ege tie keiga ege no ninte no to kuruka ga to kana Nairobi ge taega to iruka ensa ya moto ikirugusi twa kolekto kora na ende toiran
amera gane wega so mete manifesto yani yo yetie na kinga tera ke wana ke upgraded ke ga bona kinga tera buna inche Paulo Matagaro yetie ke ye trina serikali for sijeni ya semerenga about 3-4 years ago ya etetuwe ke upgraded chanzo ko hando chindege china na buna chimoza kolina mochi kada bonchai. But over there, abaiga balaga chara ondita yerenge kubyati ege tie kibone county government nyerere bone involved because negati kera kwenye regional pesa to ingo approve onere na serikali the county government nyerere involved igati ingota watela na niche ingota kwa upgrade ege kera approved ikingu cha danda tena amana ya tani tubuya turamene county government to push serikali ile pia upgraded ya za kurisi ya kiari abandi baweza kurutsanya kitabaka kurama ya magemaza soapstone abandi bagende baluzinze byabo cha cultural activities ingo cha wantabonchali elinde natuari festival kuna natuari festival ya kamera umuntu tikia kineka udanko iraiga kinikorara wabo ngwaye mugabana I talk with you, we will work together ekiagara ebintu mbire tobo biko matsukubuka ekiara buna wane county government maybe at allocation each para for example like currently voluntary constituency road development fund kiriyo korokola zinezi gabaza wani chikaroko rachikora chiwechikora kuna mara muiga abantu we county barokora but once I win we work together with the county government and the central government in a few days or maybe less than 2 years Kanyara will be landing in Sumekana in Kanyara kuberera matoke ferari
mbuya mono sana mbuya mona oyo minto mheshimiwa asengencho yogo twali bageliriria Tigandara tigera no yo minto omoralia ontiri nera rara kubure maswali ande egereli chinsa chitara chikwera na ba minto na balo banyale gukuburi amaswali ande onye timbole ti amaswali amaya yanye maswali ali atakere kuburiwa oyo minto ontiri onye kole nabo na ayobonete kuburi nga maswali ase chinga kichiga
Mbuya mono minto Pamela asante sana kuruchinsha mocha Michigan moncho motagani go ende to konyora bagusi Global Radio yo minto Paul Matagaro kuruchinsha mocha suneka ayo mo buga baruanereria shi by election ego kareka na matukanga tano na tata tiketi ga bona iga tarishina tatu ga ekero ekyo chikura bona onko genda tuli waka banjali bitu no moto tegere tengo ngo chama iko na chinso mocho nsiasi mogo toka bona na nyoli la mabori ya mange ke gimara online litanga ni intarachi kwenye somo yo minto Paul Matagaro ekero wacha katote betinga yenga yo somete kero kinde kwara beire ke go kinda shi society ngi kwara koliroro ngai tinga kero kinde nongo chakera nga ki nga yo chi de skuru ngi somete tena ande ngi kwara kolira shi abantu baitu
asante sana mpiri nche wali weire wonchali creando school to Yanka for Kuibonga Primary School nkagenda Termakura, nkagenda seminari St. John's Rakwaro, yeri South Nyanza, na sindi kubuatinde umusaseroti, nkarura nande nkarati kubusaseroti, nkaswara nde high school Sigonga, secondary ngakorola Matemu, nkagenda high school, Kakamega High School, nkaitana ende nkaita Nairobi University, ngakora Bachelor of Commerce mu accountancy, ahendelele karana kole university, nkataivat ngaswa banking. Iyo nasota as manager training for about 1 year, ngamenegosa kobe bank manager, awati Sumu na Nairobi. Nkolebete Nairobi, nkaresign, nkaswa amangana consultancy, biashara, kidogo nagaswa amangana politics, lasi agramarete Kenya Commercial Bank, yalinge under the government, kabutaro kwa politics kuli kile. Igo, karanari wabunga, amangana inasawe siasa. 202 nitengenete Bonchari na tengenete na nasa pati ya ringe kiata kutokuru sitano nato original wabura nda na Kibaki and the group na ringe lakini mwako hiyo usiye wantu warangira tinga 40 people kere anina chao koira raisi, so usiye ngimala wake la 40 people wabunge wansi kwenye kawanga na zaidi pezire gezi 207 naende ngatene natu waringaba mura aba mura kunyuma kianda aba gaka na aba mura kutego na wana ngane tena wane pati ya rekodi kuna kadu ya rengo ya Chirongo nkaboyo gatatu out of the 19 people. Ngonye taliye pati ya rengo paramanyikana kujando chitu kinangana 2007 2013 kanyanga mtenyo ni kahama na rengo ODM time tukara ranga kodi na tushie ya rengo coded tukaranga hizo waka chikura ndio katokiara the new constitution na wana constitution chijile chiale kwa mwaka chimoche kitali. So what happened initially the one and when the running mate ya government was lakini later karaga ndrekara sapura wane Bonchari tukara women rep ilipatu mwana meri para na mkampeni rep kabisa na kawala mwana mwakwana musani ane igo nkara kanyirago kiro cyarna rero cyakwaye na riya cyese Bonchari constituency Bonchari bagachora chikura bagachora ababunge lakini mu manyepenya muri diaspora nyanga kibavurikane tekoti akamusho ibintu byaro kolekana Bonchari kende ya finally Kisumu kota za pili gatera Bonchari bayira mu chikure chiga gatera bayira mu chikure chi at morning attending Kenya Government Bonchari. CDF was not working, Basari and Magan Sadeka, the Alenda, Kirin to be accurate. The only way that can have no query, which has no Musumba. The situation here in Bonchari, and the Vanya was so colleagues, I'm not going to want to call the son of Bonchari. I say, go, Iche, Vuna Kwawuri Mpiri, in the knowledge of finance management and project management, Vina Kinate, Vipamera, Matema, Ivona, Nitanga, Kingo identify viable projects in our corner and one. I say, even in Mate, telling I Nazarene together to Kurin Nazarene get May side me.
Mbuya mono kema timanye tinga eke amore Kenya National Congress go senke wanjire go tinda etiko tanga nke wanjire tima etingo mugushio oikira sa taliko chomeki taliko chore kiama na ekero korora abanta bange go bamanyite wikira bono iganga ishigi gati ya Jubilee na CORD bono tingo manyanga kero kinde omugushio rocho ikira asura mwerese atike korengere linga bono popularity ye kia manero roro achore agochora yabuna Paul Matagaro
kina tingo korenda kwa nchendo on the ground apparently and three korjala pevi na IBC na bono mwanchira mu campaign abayato compete na barabu kondita yore gitini je kutangira ngataja bantu emikakati ya nazinere ande ko batevi bari badinche na Paulo Matagaro ori arengere tuonchali na ande ngotoraika no finances. I am using my own finances to carry Peter Kenneth kana tuza no mano yanga yesa ko campaign with the president with support even the Konga ne teacher Vijana the officials waenda deputy igonka clear so make ono ande mutu so the condition yabantu ina iche ekiama nekende iche ngore Paul Matagaro amangana maraya ngucho kwa ibiri yaya kompana bari mu achari apparently abantu bonchari yabatera n'abatagite change kabisa total change batagitende nje kire parliament batagite umuntu in those people baliya in different one run now looking at that maternal the youth and the women really get my idea. And so on in the thinking about one child, about what I do for one child. I'm very rich. I need to take up. I think that I could achieve so your mother I'm an work. But I want to promise you somebody. I can't get you our kids now over now. Sasa lakini kila kama nikizawa kila Paul Matagaro eke nguo hale obuyabona kindi zote na koti wa anire atinye bindondi zote zo manifesto ndivyo byo achievable. All I need is the teamwork y'abanchari. I say that right over kunyentiriya mwana ye kyama abantu bamwe to understand the constituency throughout that this is what I want to do. When they look at it until they move maruna wa kabiri kile kamu atena abatagitwa ndakonye bantu nene kutuka chingo ko cyama na mande kabisa bagataka kwalifika na Kenya iyo ndo cyo muntu natakaga ndo university y'amagokora all they need is financial. The financial education has really through the government. By the way, some projects include chikoba chibisha chikoreta faide ya pakanene chivesikeze kandi chivekea njevune banka ukugenda negotiate chibank wetumene group yo go advise go to the bank. They look at this project wala nganga kire profitable akere bank kire a project yavan that faida nene edako wachive. So we are not going to depend only on the card. I still have ways of dealing with private banks. I say, don't worry. They have understood. I want to understand that. I hope I won't promise.
Mbuya mono kero kinengo boli ro mwali mana kwira na shia banchali ba minto batotegerete bono mambye gusobono marawa emiake ye tigalete yo on 14 igabono 16 17 ikire matuka na makesa na so muntu mogedi kogenda parliament na ki ribori riro riora riranerie orochi ngakie yenke turagenda parliament na kiurocho urakora emirimo matuka ya make bande na kero na gukwana online ya bare gotebanga kero kinda baraga ningo muntu uraberi rororo na tachi gokorerwa orientation nga bakogenda kero kendo omushike matagara aragenda gokorerwa orientation na gikuiraniririo minto bono mambia
abo bagoteba igo mbali bamanyite nga ote bago support bali barabereire bunge orientation iteyo what it is emipango binopangete for bunge orientation kutebene yegaba ya parliament aliko kwana for example balengere tinga maybe orientation igana liwo for kirunga standing orders kirevi maybe that is the orientation lakini hata mwana yuko project ya constituency you don't need anything. All you need is your financial ability and financial capability. I've said project chinya gitari I see nyende jenga liamenya gitari yeye ni section I don't need orientation to do this. Orientation is only need to maybe a bunge how to follow standing orders which I don't care, but what I am going to support Evangelii this time when Charia mtutu akairi kuru my uncle kuru protest which taka ananja bali kugwana bungi nje debating na kaweire iweli orientation ibagoteba ekina abantu bakalengera tibija lakini manyetenga nje ulikankwane mono bunge nje ndengo kwana asokubwata mwana y'abantu banyite na Kenya nzima ikiagera leadership na boko yeri ikigana ke constituency yana isema kiasuko so orientation area lakini wontirito ayote skuru ne yana de tavere hali de tavere skuru ko kuna matiti you need orientation koranga kwanza mere ko kuna bimu bawa so narama saka amini baga akite temporary na bimu sek mini na bimu primary. I don't need orientation to see so those who are talking about orientation are referring to parliament. Parliament are taking maybe 2-3 months to know all those things of parliament. But about Yamayandro, that's why in the office, itakuwa very active throughout the 3 years in which Kabumudu. Naenda vande vatevuri unagoronali ngeti yande vagatevanga mutakavoli apparently ende support akavoli umuntu agakorera ashizi yakayikumi ntwarora wade yege tato ngayago za kusinya ideas akorera intege naho kera akorera abantu bagasata at that is the thing ontiri school bana babasomera under the which orientation do you need? So that orientation is for parliament, but for development of constituents I be on the ground hands-on.
Mbiyamano mwancho mategereri nigo tegerete abagushi Global Radio olinotiri shebe mtopa mogaka na boigo omoshike Paul Matagero one of the aspirants bako chikorie keruwe kia obojumbe pa election yego kolega na jinja mochi chia bonchari she tukolia emeronge bere na gatatu asumuti nyo gatano no mwancho mategereri ibori kyo bwate bono toba benge nkomenta kyo bwate toba benge osoro nyangate nkona okora tuwarenga analysis abantu abamo bagatote bingo manyeti kero kene na boko nyoranga abantu mbamanyeti ngebyamambire bire very popular lakini nga adenga vita vya panzi ni furaha ya kunguru ama neema ya kunguru you never know musiko soro nyangate wairire na kiayo goteba
wairire byo muralia nande wakire bya matagaro
yakire movement
biyamana sana njenkuru kusoro nyangate kuruchinsa mekiga kuchinsa mocha umurenda ngana suneka ali ntuturwete chisamo cha suneka ke uko bakatebanga yakogira kurusuneka ono ntarachi gukwana naye naire naero kirori bageri asa mashabiki itatataka tinsemo cha America alitanga nimba kwana ndentevenga Happy Father's Day kuchakira sole chinseme chichi asa itoma hata ubonchali ntevenga Happy Father's Day na mashabiki alamu itatataka chinsemo chiria koligirya mangana basketball kupatevinga tutanga inere igaso koligirya seti yutro chenga Miami ere maega amo chinsemo cha San Antonio mata ikatoka sana. We are leading by 20 points. Congratulations San Antonio Spurs. We hope you're gonna get this one tonight. Nande natakandara kwa nande ya kavere ngotevengo mheshimiwa okoligichikula chawo nchali nande bwebege tasege pimwa sabantu bali bakoligi muna chieli chinde chikoligi asomo gondo nande ngokwane byangambi yole matagaro
kama nosoro minto ngatina yangu yora wa America
ncha America ande buororo timbu atimangana dance nande natakanda ngosogolia senchira ya bene teremia lero achunga lawa a little bit different
lakini jinga ki osoro jinga ki ngoto tamera chire nimbwata mbaga mange kegi
okay intage tingenda mange yo minto matagaro bono lendeli swangli yana linene nala kubolinga iranyale kananga gwa chori rukawo mubungo bonchali mambi batangase batebenga matagaro Paulo nero mubungo bonchali bile kotorino chinsemo cha bonchali agendele chikorogoro ali bungatri no atebenga nero mubungi ranyale kana gwatangasiru nanama sabaito ndutone gosabira bonto babunja bono iranyale kana benga abantu abakuriyi gosebabire bako babunge kurumera yawo kwarigeli kwarode ngamba kore te ndikurukunga misappropriation of CDF funds ninyari kana ngamatagaro no trina buno musacha buri kabisa utrine ne chinguru chonse bicheigoro obaira se kotinyo tebenga abantamba korte misappropriation with all the evidence that you have no trino ganda kotinyo trina se witness stand otebenga mainepi ekana ajike ganda chibasa chiarenge chinganaiga kanyoranga chiara chiero chinganaiga ntoma ite se chinde chiachiete no trine boli obaboli maswalenga munayo nande gento kwara kwana ngankelinge website ya bonchate yo nchena cheremio ntiri muraliga iga mnancho monchali na cheremio metono wakinda bonchali ntiri no wakinda bonchali ali ndutwerule bunoko bomugambi ntokokonye tokorose no ne website to make sure website ye koreka burunge byamono igobona ekerura abo bugambi uratangasu mambi atu akire simyo tevinga kika amba una mwante kuri website ga kinkonye rende toroshi gente ntuno turamo konye toroshi website ya bunchali egerenya ko bage kwendra mutu nande liswali rinde to kuri litanga ne to maitenga bunchali. We have a lot of people who are in the diaspora na kwara amenyine riga no maite what is in the diaspora. My biggest question is, what will you do for us as abantu bari diaspora from Bonchari so that you can be able to improve the welfare and the position of Bonchari wherever it stands on things to do with poverty? Another thing that is very, very, very crucial, Mogambi and Matagaro, legally off the hook. A stronghold yao ne rie elima tenga driso di wanta ko borugu a strong yao yao as a Bonchari rie nande how much have you secured your stronghold biamono tiangina na to mako ramanga nande biamon
Longwa really very much a strong yao na te bakare youth and women. I have abandoned the community strong or your convention yet pattern ya voting as a constituency kero montago tiara bua nje ndo kurvo malivareni so revo maliva expect to get a lot of votes Mariana alani from the north side of Bonchari then maneko wati nchichevo mukora nchichevo morenda nchichevo yakum. However, I am saying the youth and the women are my stronghold. Itangani kwabo rigore CDF mangana yimpe bwate evidence abona chiwe serendi cha CDF chivire kyabantu bakanyite ngani nanko iraika kalinje. I don't have to stand in court as a witness. People are there. If you need to bring a ranking, no, I will. You go, I'm going to investigation to go on. I will push it to get an investigation in Jalengo. They got you, we are to no money to now and to our correlated to our channel and I'm not coming. That's why maybe mainly naende batagite kero erinde batubirira amang'ana igo goika mbwati amang'ana ye diaspora kero nakwana na Pamela inateba ng'a binankwira chikure chiga mogotimoka. I know I am willing to utilize your abilities and your financial strength for Konya Bonchai. Chi equipment mogo cha Konya asiginya itali. Ebitabu byo kisukuru. Chi lab equipment yo sukuru. Imeta we diaspora mumanyite mumyenya fete na buna wate fasoro ni nara miro honyo nchi. Igo muri woza korara every time chisi sometimes nabokuri nendege na ichavu on my own woza kuraburi mutali wankonyera abantu because also this our place. We have left it behind. I don't make a room tagana chuo tawichi mugurari tageri kuna kurari kiendege separani uchikure ndingurari mugunyancho igorenjere mukinyancho. It is so bad. I was there the other day. I said that I was and you are from the diaspora and there is something you can do. No, you will help me more and I will help you. But when you want to come to Bonchari as a diaspora group, in our Karibisha Kabisha during my term and the MP for Bonchari. Asante sana Osoro and keep the spirit.
Mbuya mono musikima tagaro. Igonda bolinga toba benga soko bolia na litoranya le ko batogana na mabagachi toro mwali mwashia go bwire bya libagana eliao. Mwali mwashia go.
Omuraria.
Libagana eliao.
Omugambi matagaro no muraria na bakwaniri bya mole.
Ndiya mono.
Njena asiago yobosiri kurwari suna kariya masagara. Enjo yo murinda se bari abanjari utokore kariya machindi bachabo kendu atoba tige cyombo gutarabukina boira.
Nona rengiria masagara igo.
Abri wana rendo mugambi abu nongani into bari abanjari umete kare abanjari kujimbari gutakabe kwana nganga nabanjari bari bonjari ni ntigangi se point rende umugambi mbiyamo nazo kwanja go chatarani gatai bange bagwanja igwacha iga na ende bino yo minto aruro bori obori rende bina bori baminto bonjari yeto nabuto na kolera iga bari abanjari ga bonjari into constituency angapi nani nyasa ganje twa district tokabe district yangapi bono mugambi rende twarachorera abagambi kurwa bumagiga nande ndo kwara bori yo bugambi gocha ritwari nri tangani ninki kere problem ya bonchari itari kogenderera eneri twari nri tangani tiswari ya kabiri gere mbori nduo bonchari buna tore iga igonte gete ku gwashwa rero iga ningi nyoritekero Dr. Brutus Momanya abodi chikura kaira abantu bandi bakamenya kubura ikinzemo nga kumbe bonchari konya nebwate tobita bonchari nga nebwate abantu basomete lakini bantu abumba bari kuruka bachamo bakonye bonchari imechando niririye nuburayi bube batari kubekwamo ndubwate ki professor bonchari ndubwate ki Dr. bonchari ndubwate abantu basomete bonchari kera abantu bandi zikomba manyitinga bonchari ndubwate abantu basomete ninki problem ero niriri igoryo kubwatira nuko rizwati ya gatatu de dinirorere obukurumi nga tutra trust bonchari onye kibese serikali yako toa to kuigwa njiri kutumika bya na kibari tore dasi para tura ba shwadinga petiko twaro mugambi ejire tura tumekurwa asa magandra bonchari nje so asa magoko amaya gusekira so asikingira biyamono.
Okay, biyamono kegima onongonya limitinda maboli gochiabere elinde to nyara ko bato wikero yo minto na liara nyaira ne libwanga so obwenge oyo minto matagaro na ira ya sole
asiago igonga tebanga ase ali kyali amasagara tafadhali yakira abantu bisimi batebinga matagaro bawa kere kura elinde vale tofauti wana amangana yo burai la bonchari ekyo lakini yete clearing and kitchen on child leadership over kurumizeki vya sabuni kwate wa CDF over chief CRO development chief omanyite kuna kipara ina mention bale kwana na Pamela kile kiko allocate bikote wewe kuna pare cross kwa wesimu hiyo na nere usikoroshie para yete iva kama ukara patendari mwana wale the best price ilinde pare rosi at a good cost wana kwa elimu kwa wewe muirionde kwa karaki pero para si para elinde mulichivensi kisukuru kwa haja kila bora pengine vilani mtapo mkote yangu hiyo ntokia vai so hivyo mmoja ebintu bari batanga baguri gusa bakari tugetekya CPF birikire nimete bateba ngabye tutekora karete kipera kimilioni gete ikije takore kaneti kone bikurumiro na leaders bari gutegerera. I have come from the perspective of honesty and godliness. Because it by manifesto na alikire na equitable distribution or equitable development ya constituency which are covered. Even na kingi kire tena nje itakuwa ni servant, not just an empty, a servant. Kurenda ebitoki ya serikali ya abantu be diaspora ya well wishers iribitagotokonya ochali. That is the aim. What is going to happen now? You observe the first few months before mwako yotarahera by December ngokwa nanda se ready na inu Montez kiara wange ngocha mole mzika Montez nga yes, this is the direction of leadership we want. Accountability. Our leader one of Bunchari whatever the Watavan it's true. They are not participating. One of the animal diaspora which you couldn't go there from everybody. But the current ones, they think about themselves only. I say what? This is the time, whatever, 23rd June, in the declared Paul Matazaro ndiye mbunge mteule katika uchaguzi mdogo Bonchari. You have to be alert. Nainu Montiga. I want us to work together. Now, every Bonchari, it was like a team. A team targeted the Chigori World Cup. Honesty and transparency and accountability. Those are the ideas I have for Monchari. So the diaspora, be comfortable. The more we will do with the little you will support us with, the more you will give us. Because utaona imefanyika. Ndiyo mwana.
Mbuya mono ngokora togo chuma nchomo tegereri totarachi gokora irinde totigo yo minto agende nemero berinde kwiranda maboria atatolimo na boigo to babingi inde togenderere kwemanya 20123888059 20123888059 entaracha suri era magoso na bete makiga sukuri kabali moro online ashina bayomo alige yarenge 9202 igere 201 onyo koro motegereri to botambe gono manyetenga magoso na romo shinini de kirinde tara itonde na boto nyara ko to kuigwana na 2134010095 na baito 15 meronge vera nanya onyo ko to kwana manito bate noti elindo tegerere bunu manyaruko ra bwa ko tebia okole bokora nche eya ma semo 2012388059 alo.
Asante sana Mr. Ontiri. Ngeli Italiana ngoro kufaita sindege no nyuweto mugambi Ontiri.
To ena mutwe.
njenonde ni ujeti iga na antegera ile mheshimiwa Folong naboni weta kugamba buya sana nabona hata kumuboria maswali avera atatu batirende gongo takoba nabongo tuboria maswali amakavera iswali litangani nabondo tena goteba nga ora korira sense moye bengi naendo beire ase bengi Folong egendo nale kumuboria ara tokonye gotara konya bantu ba diaspora chibengi chabere chiko to charge very high interest ayebona muno takoba mheshimiwa Bonchari mambi na kiora korora konya banchari gosasa mo Kenya gosasa mundo diaspora so that the banks can reduce the interest rate because the interest rates are very high. Area kavere ni swali ya no mheshimiwa Matakaro nale kubori mnabone chama kia Kenya Social Congress.
Kenya National Congress.
Mwa koleta uchaguzi gose ekwabete handpicked. Please, na wata sana. I'm wishing you well. Thank you so much.
Mbuya mono nincha so mheshimiwa eranderia mabori yabere ritangani rizboli ritangani ngwa kwanera igore interest rate ngaeto mheshimiwa lirikire neria kabere amba kolete obocho libakamina na goshiga beta hand picked ngocha anda so mheshimiwa ndera neria omugaka moli bwerire buya
mono muravya kwatoratera amangana ko rwebitunu byoto byagusi na Kenya ngima nanchega narenge kobe kobo mwenge Lende mheshimiwa tuwetengeria tiri mheshimiwa ngoli kwana ngai ko bekwechera Nairobi wa ntoma tinga imora chiko likwanirwa ekara ko ya Nairobi ingo kwani mheshimiwa ose anda bekwechera naende kento kenne keiga amataria akorbo songo umucho city ya Kisii na tokologe city ngera kyobwate muranyare ko ya rosia amataria ekara kupa tukuruaria siri yenga ririme embora nere kuruara turuta America ya kore biashara sana ngera choro anyare ko ya beka macharia kabisa wita chisu chikire nyanja ne bioto aya naende to kenne keiga chire yere sunne kaya ra sunne yere Mombasa kongo ya nge ko re design yo una yara tubobe chibe sikariye gwa mutana ko ye kwana egere chire yara suwe na matoka busiya ku sunne kare ra matoke Kenya ngima ya taito ko ra matoke Nairobi mwaka 60 nge ko ra mutara shugo ni bwe nge mero bulto bwate igoro ya matoke nindo te kana go tana kwani mago ko ga go kunyando yena re ko nyora asimire to mukano mero bulto bwate ko nyo mukano imugondo ekyari ro ya Bonchari kyari ya sokorasyon mukano yamana kasabali
mbuya mono ke mangoira na sembeo ni go ngochi konyora mabori abere chikwana ibere chioka kurwa somosongo ngo asoyo minto Alex Momanyi ngole romo songo elinde nyale ko bangoira na asoyo minto to nyale ko ba tugukora mo ashemo kurwa shemsheme ni kwanda to tegere abagushi Global Radio egeture rikyamo yegetinge enshingi mabwakire werere bya ense yabande nekena magesabire emyaka na emyaka higo toganeti kwirane gochianka takumera na nabanchane baito ashinga nchiyobwancho kolinde tiri kunyala bono abagushi Global Radio ni okoleta ngena esa matera okurandia makwani chigusori amasabana boyiga maya buna wateka ajyamana batali kokwanera eredi tari kwiruka gotebeke nebunake ibere ya moishatu inye noge yamo enoge nogo kyara ishano ibere ya moishatu inye enoge yamo enoge nogo kyara ishano witera shishimi otali wakanera usuya igurube yao asoko tegere abagushi Global Radio ashi internet tune in radio ustream skype ade tali totali gotuka abono ashimia kitano ya etire bono nigo tole ashembeo chinshe melongebere nainye mchunga na abagushi Global Radio usuya igurube yao na abagushi Global Radio egetureri kya mwanyegetinga Ian Jane nigo babugate chichabati amandashi oboshibo bolino bwa maemba no eno bobo kimana byonzi bigotoka kurwagushi Ian Jane nigo babugate no nyane nyama yembuli kene dikeli utanyora Ian J the 6401 South Cooper Street Suite 137 imeyomo Arlington the 6401 South Cooper Street Suite 137 omo Arlington gatia supplet na Cooper ebara ekorunga disti nabono nabuko gurashi internet i-foodstore.com tonyorwa kwenyolera endagera yawo omwancho matagarari nigo nkwirana se omoske matagaro tunera shembe ochinga kichabono mabigo sobono marwaba chiterike merongo bere na ishatongo kada torobo chori chinse mochiri chia Bonchari naki togo chugwaga chikura ndende tukwe manyia mange oyo minto kwa boli wa maboli anga tano ga tima itikero kende kole belinde na bongo konyoli kolende na irandira sole oteme ko irandelia na enda so bwenge na litura yana na mabaga ya bere linda ba minto bakwana na irandira soro mheshimiwa Matagaro.
Ndia sana mo minto ntiri litangani ko bakwanya ba minto bali bakwa bakwanire vaita sa santa hope no ya New Jersey Jersey City, asante mwankaribishe vya gavo kiaran moro cha karambini ya kingo tanara wakwani ya vudi jesio kabanganga after bangana ye vengi nango za kuira chikuraiga. I will be in parliament not nango za participate in this parliament sana I'm on interest rate airamwense siku hizi interest rate yaachile paka 15%. Remember karabina kala konyere chizo I was in advances and time when I recover actually at 6%. Actually at around the 20s. With the central bank control, mere nkodege ndoroti kuira nanse. Aseigo mokumi ina mogo tabaza ku boru chive sasa Kenya haraka ramuta kutoka project interest rates at least are under good control under the central government. Yen yakavere million three.
Endo yakavere ni gabo lia oyo ndigore echiro ne siwech.
No, evento ya cadere vaita chavuri ndege.
Okay. Yes.
Ejire ya suneka. Already a county government yani pangere unaweza kunyagacha. What in the take credit, I don't want to take credit unnecessarily. The government guy na kwana sumeka just the other day to arrange the function ya sadaka marum agapewa echiro already ne acted wa ni definedly echire ndonge ewemerete izo watu kiwaraga will be a story kind of market izo rote are in the service said in cheese and pears and those kind of things. So it's a program here county. I don't want to be there, but I want to involve myself in another project under the county in Kambua. No team yaye. Igongo na ekera go child mere pakete enyore tali chedoro elinde su kwa suru. Yan kende yere chiwe tayari ndotangete Kenya it's also in the county government ndotangete waje kuyira amana bina yechi korosi fertilizer nini amana ye factory ya matoke na kwana ali aroni nali kwa na Tamera inateva na we engweza we establish the factory the process ya matoke marabua ni vingi canning vingi grown voluntarily and even from outside voluntarily we will do a process they are na wana matoke na rosi crucibles or other packed food ya chaza machinate vera na some of those places achieve that employ the youth as a voluntarily. And the Vitas, I don't remember today. I apparently think it okay. On the line, ora
Igonga itega kwanera igoro ya diaspora. Na kero kinda yande gona ko yatuma shingincho alikuwa kwanire shinjo chinga kikona alikuwa yatuma na abe kali okotara kwanera igo kero kinde ngageretenga ntuira nensemeyo na ko bolingo bwate gakego elinde nyore oyo minto Alex Momanyi werire bya ku North Carolina
werire buya moralia ntiri gwere buya na ngatindu buya matagaro bwakire yo mwendo buya ne asante sana so koromo kigocha na waire kirero kiane kubarangeria over and over again na sigante eventanga se mapema nga my standards ni ase abantu bali bairwa na opportunity muna onyancha no pole if it were my power batakiri kwa kuchukura arabu batakiri ko ganda retire so you want to simply first time abago ya manganago wono te to jase bali mori on the field aye na Paulo Matagaro, you are my friend, you are my age mate, we work together in the Kenya Commercial Bank. John Yoro Yoka is my friend, is my age mate. We went to school standard 1 to 3 together, to primary. You are my kind of people who are able no gega. Have you organized yourself in your campaign such that ekaroko gende zone yoka wate bingonye mbayo kono ina yemo gabatu yuka oko gende zone yogega wate bonye mbaligo ko ogega mbaligo ko ikura gaba ogega because unless you play that game you're not going to go through. That's number one. Number two, you need to repeat what other people have said. The reason you take to Montomogani, or the reason you go and take to Montomogani, that you could what? Nambeyemo. In the Tagarosi in Gonchari constituency, taking the Tokorokanga, Gonchari, economic, political, and administrative audit forum. A group, they go audit into the Toros, which was a Kerabono. We have learned the hard way. Wantumbo automatically, Wantumbe Sigeti, whether they are political leaders or they are enemies. They behave like pickpockets. Like nobody's going to us. So the audit organization in constituency, a cross no muchumbi, a cover promoted no muchumbi nava, Naraya, Valivara Omni. To make anything with 5 shillings. To make it for example, I would get Kerina year in, year out, and whatever, going to what on the county government level. Into the Comania, what the amount of money you allocated, and what I say construction to the color. This year, work one is to the community as a Chigota, and then huge Guagai. In other words, we have to be on top of the project. Omochungu, you would, every night, every no yuka, every no there. I pray hard that at least one of you are Richikura. Because you're no Koira. But it's not into the we will be the winners. You will not be the winners only. We will be the winners. Again, to Kenton and whatever, I want to work and carry. Very professionals. I want to watch at the diaspora. What are the need for young professionals, nurses, teachers, science teachers, math teachers, in America. We can coordinate. So, the program is a one for application. Those are the things to and every higher than the ordinary. Nursery school, that is for the local people. Our council. We want something higher than that. Now, you can imagine the economic impact of our court. Negin to Kentucky. Unabono, I enjoy to work on financial professionals. In what the idea, I think I will share it with the people. They could create a revolving fund. If I say a new good year, Nairobi, which is Treasury, 2013-2014 budget, 97 million. Each year was around almost 30-something million, somebody pocketed it. Each year, 369, Kairana. One of what the government did, no Korea out of 97 to our asset, they didn't use it. Let us add another 3 million, 100 million, and they give them back. So in reality, we only got 3 million in the 2014-2015. One I am no share ideas. Una financial profit. Finance. You know the consequences you will located for the development. We lost
a whole year over 100 million. Tanga tu alkarosia, revolving fund. Revolving fund game in a thing as you versa. You will create a ganja. Avana was what I do with Akavia. So, Muna via Serbia or you mean to Syria Jakiri. It's a personal project. Kangavono, he got to go just to other thing when in America. You want to get million Nissan, in expand the radio. In your work for another 5 years. So, what a project paper. That is what I call the revolving fund. There's one across Monchari, I want to Varivana, Variva, college school, but I know Lega. Our go to Riva, what a pot. I'm in our Riva and the Chile Toko Raja, Toko Raja, have a bungalow here empty. 12 advance US from the revolving fund. Akavesa, Agora Chinsui, Agora Fruit, Agora Chianga, Batava, Nialia, Pamela Kurani. This is done worldwide. So these are the ideas that Umuchumba at your level, hear my prayer. So do we am. My hands are open. Now I'm the ones who are diaspora or Yaninka. We will do what we have to do to help We don't want to condemn you for somebody's mistake. We want to work tooth and nail to make sure that whoever comes to the office will work with us to set the place properly. So you see, people behave like, we are all stupid. And we are not. That is not even the issue. Okay, this school is just one part. But you will a personal integrity. It is something that makes the economic bank, you know what that means. When you are a banker, you understand accountability. So my prayers are very strong that you work together no yoga together. We would want him to knock the door, just like a county government. Whoever is responsible for any project here, we want it to be revived. And I'm going to call and make all the noise you want so that we have this done. For you, I will not want to go into all those details, even if it's over to Gukwana. So as to give time to other people, I'm happy that you are there. I'm happy that the Yuka is there. I'm happy that Ogega is there. You are fresh people. Open up. Let us share ideas. And let's talk about Savera. At least one of you are eligible. I don't have a problem with Kurangi. You can anything without a problem with Kurangi. But I want to work into something we can work together. So as I am please Naida Hora add-on.
Biyamono minto Alex Momanyi asobo semia obuya gaite tabole tiboli kolinde kwanyoli robo semio bunkwera nanda sole abangina ngai bono mwaenda iruma batange yamondole na wana buganga nkole kima lakini abangina ndo tarakwana kwana ngo batange yamo umusongo na ikwala otakulare.
Okay, biyamono sana kize cha tobnyokiria intenigonale bukwana timbu atini gonda kwana numurai honorable Paul Matagaro biyore bwa kiro mogambi. Hello? Hello?
Na kuiweta genderera.
Nancho na nigona takanyi gungu nyigule nanchi na mugure ona nanche wa M1 kiri. Okay. Igona akire biyamono tigankwa na yara yane nteni gongo kwa na kuruga abuna omo Kenya original kurugiga abutindimo tiniko choranga numugane nenko kwa na buno muamato ntitoruko tokari kurubone igona ari kwa na iga amangana manga manto bari riga ndoche nyasa wachore no ora sukiri na nyasa otumega gendo sukiri ga ngiri abantu bane bachandikire tinga ito so morani mugambi nanyi we
osongo na kwetana.
Okay. Biyamono, niona akire biyamono, igona algo koteringa abantu bari rigore ya CDF funds chebetwe nande tindo je sababu montekera ibiri besa bune ikinene ngendo mongona botenane agenda abantu baito abanchari baratine kotegera mangana y'abantu buna abantu bari ci protecting kiri atigere tunchera abantu babeto abarayi baratiga igona aganyirane oirane nyasabu nako konya ogendo ile sikura o change security abantu nkaga security ya chandra abantu make changes transportation matatu police department yegunde tekene ngeyo kirororo naende chicontract echiwate abatiga kwa abairi babo bakoyoba bamurabami no bekenge ntemesa iguru erinda abantu barenga n'omugambi okwana mangana buno okwana yamo wikaga alipunge mwasi bigwe wine mweba mangana mwakwanira abantu bono iga airport yintenye tagete neki changes bona genda ge corruption court ebintu biro ebigunde teri n'abantu bacyanze abantu bakuriyana ni bwamarimo omuntu n'amana akura nyamira bakaka akaro kicyanga cy'ubukigo bakakamako witaito yari ngo bosoku ebintu bino bifora yene abantu bakubona n'abantu bawo tokuya kikuro kwagenderanya angina abantu bakuri gurima tamagendo nero liye agency kuri kabantu abayikoye bawo cyabamure kibando ku mugondo bayira bicimbe na numuro ubuna bari muri gereti egina abantu tona gukwinjira opening your office kifari cyose abantu elinda baranga n'umuntu bwokende gwatumiru onye kuja kwira kikure corruption yatunyari land grabbing yatunyari ya available ukwana n'abantu bawo cyose ande kifari cyo bekeme konya bataka konya bago abakungu abacane kuba batigiri n'abagaka support them abana bari bayinde tubuya bari kintakana bago cyane umuntu n'ataka n'ebisi byobisi abanya mukoyoro okoseri muna tiga chobisi chame simeze nyamobe to barabayide babeta barabayide to azorobisi nima itenye mitande leo abachibu ni wabo sabachibere chiri ni mandinga amazi bote bonkonye mu cyandro rubona abasaja bari mu abade babekira abana bari kinda mukire tekiri bona baramwe gusi what are you doing njibalo abantu babekira ikigo kaboko amabokalo ikigonyo serikali ebwena iko kwa bunta ko rambo ko manene wame ko abali mu bali ka bana bali kinda abanya ko bachandete kemo ne onale polo matagaro mbiyamano na rangi no musongo nanye mbiyamana sobo tali abange bawo abandi abange to itola kwande abata matira bata mabala bola twakuba ne nyama no musongo rare no kalena Nari na gogo wala ngwike na mashinani mahali watu kukole into bitanze to abantu bari basalitsi me project bakangira seta mbabwene kontinena tirawa ntari bategere ngiti mo ntari yene korora ya sara bwagera mani no ngite sawa musongo rari no kalena kuna
ya mono njoke asante sana buna natika gote bangwira na shabangi na babere elinde omonge na roda kamanda mangana e bono no nyewete na goldana chalo mbiyamana mwana wontiria soko ngalibaga mangana ina na igure na tegere ibe gocha nyumantara jikukwana na ro jikukwania omowaka matagaro ujore waiting mpia mambia na bagaka mwenzi muri conference na bakwani mbiya muri mwenzi asemara ko beyega mbiyamona na basabere na happy Father's Day mbiyamona lende egento nale go chukwana mo chumbo itoma bineke bantu bamuntu bakwanira mangana mange baboli binayo monyene kwaere sira mangana mange ainta nyale koirora ainta koirora because point general ukubuli abo magana ro kurumaga yo musongo nayo boli kenga bono na isana kanero ntiyo kanaro chikoteba neki omujumbo ndo omanyete kara ibimbebi amangana yo borai naro lenda kara muna bono iga ndo general chikokomentara nkelinga introduction is very necessary introduction yao kwa kumuna bali bakubolinga abande bali bashaho kuboli akyosa ametoba ikani ayobona muno wochaka mangana aho nkwana yao taranya ya chaka aro introduction yao nje nkoro kugana iga ninso ametenga ikaiga ninyo mete enyo matinda igukumanya bima itiko se kwa mention ya karabang na they are very important in the house tinda igwa sengwate bana nimbwata bangana ninyo mete because yo morayo mandi na watagete oruta introduction yega otherwise mangana maya kwate next time introduction wenye choka buya ndona ukoboli maswali nga yo igete choka changu onye kole na ro chokomentara kakai gombu yamana otherwise no isaine ago pimirera trikona kai gweta abanda bakoboli na igure nga abako mujumbo man mira mana sana timbo atiama Ya bueno mongina rodo ko ire jugara. Tiganyo monto bo mario di rumah North Carolina. Halo.
Yamono muralia. Mwesimi wa Paulo mbiyamono. Abibata stay ya sore mbiore.
Yeah.
Biyamono negene ngatwa korosiri. Ande kwa ichane kwa kunga. Keraka mwanya koro mwaba ngano nyentari ko bani kwa n'abantu bare America. Kwendo bono bosemi bwabene okonyora make kwanyora yara gokonye. Omongo minto ko bogire ento kinane ko takobodi tangani nganore bantu. Kia tinda ibose nore bantu. Mo chonyore enkondo nyatori bantu. Muga katanya gotora muga kunde enkondo. Bono omwesimi gwo mambia obore merumbore bonchari kobuga bunoro chenyari bari gose kobuga bunoro chandonsi igo koruga abugwa chane nyange kero chia matobe gose kwa komba witigipigi ya korenta bakabosongo kwa manya gwete pare ngia ya roche iga ari asiki nsuki konyorwa igo numanyete asenge njonge sinyama kwa numubemo mureta bwati asenge njobonchari eta bwato mumura n'abangina nabo imungeti yo boteme giye kianda buna abande bonchari cyande gete bakabono iga ekarna kinete nayo tarakina no moken kora ngiora asende tinkumanye emyaka yao abantu bali ngotera nyagetente ngio manyete bintu biriye ibe no byarenge bonchari mumuro oborire no nyambono iga ogosiye bintu biriye bibe mwanya nyasa ogochoro umwana nyasa ngana yora chogende ochigo konyo monchari kire chikwari kyonsi pi noro sikipara no ngusa macha bangina basinyo cyandeka noro ende kinyagitari abangina aseba konyora matene tia aseba konyorera abana amba cyandeka kora ante oreto basikurikira cyo borimo ebinte byo birike naendo beketiki nganonye nkuagenda okorera abantu abangiro bakogenda bangaina abantu bamaitinga no yore igoro bakongaina omonto goikamari omanya gosaria esepi abantu ntwachaka korera ngo tutarenge ko chora nyara uyu tutari kwena nonye na akoro nogende onye korigerere tigoro yeso na okonye nogende uso ndagende ati nonde nagenda togenda mwamu naye kwa moko twakoira okoboko okonye bonchari nyagetenchere erabe no mugaso goetera asore ntuko twakomenta ntukubure timaswari ko twakomenta ngayi kwa buri buna ari kwarika onyarika bekene kora benkwagenda bona riswa naro kuboria ria moiri neri nonye nari kubori bantiga kuboria ria moiri giga abamura basoire bonchari basingiru konyoro si asengenjo kibesa giko bakingiya nabo kibesa bakonyora gose bae bugenda makora magenderaya obo ibi wo bagenda atakomenta ka Kenya goita nandi buna bugarengeri itangani bona kero monta ko enda ko ngo ikangira nikibasa kia na abantu gose na ko jikura ngo isani kibasa kia ne maja okora abantu nyoro ruro atara akora kende ebinte byonsi bigwa turanga noro sire tikende no musamache mbuaga tinya gitari aye mo yipyo ko takonyoro cyo sorere gose nchira kyo cha goeto mwana nyasaye mbaka yo choro sibinte byonsi bonchari kia na barengo na bamura babwate to muti na kwa bwate tenga kyoro cha yebonura achoete kaki karante byange kyaro no mu no mo to kuburi na kyora achokorale gusibyo cya sibonchari ndiyamona
beyamona to kumra kamo ginari ruma koro chinsa machiano North Carolina beyamona keima kyaro kinde abaminto igo bamentere gocha libo linele molia chire ngaete nali kwanera karo mongena ndubi tingumanya gose bado na ba komenta mangana berata to yo mintu matagaro na irani ra shole na boigo nyuma yo kwirane liboli na bongo ko ali bago kwana mangana obo semi bwa abwa mali ontara irana a she ko presento yo mintu Pamela ko ruchinja mocha Michigan yo mintu Paulo matagaro na irani ra shole
Kasanta mantiri na akiribia vivitwa upande wa umani ya kutoka imekiwa mumani observation ya ene friend ya mtana ama ngana wa kwa na ya bonchari ubuli boro kile sabuna buna kia ngire tukia CDF inabona maana wale rumati ile baadhi ya siasa na tunakuiraniwa Igomon child born out to the army, say Atalos, Lona Lucy Alo. Amana China, not a county government in Corosir, a budget, Yavoni County. I have no volunteer, no work in the management already. Even any airport, no Yavo, airport, in a central government, license with the county government, which is function, with the cover, or the follow up and they could push the area like airport, every ministry up to grade. Kabangana using Yamago. Manya tewa akuno ande like me. Aso mo mori we children to sina tingo to sikara. When we get to speak as a manifesto yane. And the young people multiple resources to Yana Moka manifesto you. Paul Matagaro Tagana was a Paul Matagaro for Benjari constituency 2014. More Sola. In the very achievable, in the very possible selection, the wrong at the Chivari. Amalan, the child, Kipara, Sarite, Tiny, children, the Colanda, I say, I want to go to the diaspora, now more of coin. The Asa and Navajo with someone in production, the Indian, that's sort of for that, and the more truth and that. She's a very good mother. Campaign in America and Retinarato, Kuperan, Ellen Yavoki. Nande Ale campaign Asana, Chair and I'm saying, Kumutuma, Ivan Kwana, Yakubu. Karawan, Navaja, in one to the album, no better for running to Ivan, and that was Moyavana, and then one to the so people and my family man, telling us go to the medical clarity, where to much. Again to be a cousin. I said, oh, my, it's a man there to go around Charlie, but you can eat on laser. You can, in Germany, kill language of Quran, Charlie, Mosa, whether you are for Bonchari or not. I like to most of my manifesto. Again, the village of Recover and I'm very best. It's going to figure out as the blues. It's only the very best. We have identified project. And then by identify, I can assist with other professionals, the Waterkey Bank at Children Child, and other financial managers to have come. It is everything yet achievable. The John is one of those who is available in child, who go over to the chairman and the river, now waiting in child mother. The own thing over there. Think of kid. And make sure, Monster. Nande, what you may need in any world is via Vitas and the Lavo. Elia Cavere Neve Town City. I would have one Kenya National Congress, a party, neither say. And I saw that even the when and I can't declare the vacant in our English in the Marine and on our in the New York. A Karaman and go to the London, Racha, the Cananga Conaccord, I told it over, my degree, I told it over. So I had to go to a neutral party. Machinania, Kenya National Congress, and let us symbolically set up change. And the Bible is very good one, nobody came to ask whether he wants to compete with you. There's one guy who wanted to stand there, I think he was joking or something. So Vitas in there, when they Karama Raiga, Kimachina and Nacho, let alone the party which was available for me. There were so many offers of parties that he didn't go around at Lanchole, Kivu, Mbungore, Charlie, Mbungore, Chief CDF, Chief Mbungore, Chief Bash and Chief ubungere amalema bali abunge ngo bayitazira ubundi yari neza nariye asa abantu baminto bari diaspora icyo binango ko declare ni na bino ya teva ya June 2014 a year Monday year watch integrity you keep be on the toes are also keep you on the toes integrity mumbu atefie Conchari essere vekira save ikine Conchari constituency line na mono na constituency asama tukazura kwa maoncho kana nilewansi ekaranko ichikura igo kirase I know what is needed abantu baite diaspora mumbu atefie Alex Mumanyi, you know what is here. You know ni mwocha ko mbwate. Yani vini gato kubeka gusenko bwatera mwana ikiza kia kelviru wekamana ni mwe ya nyama nanche akonya ne birengerenge tokini bonchali ele bonchali ndia ko bwavu na nanya nyoli yagera ke birengere binanze na gatabia abantu baito birengere mbwate bonchali ebitene kumono ebiya kitene kite I say one period you keep me on the doors allow me to want more into diaspora asante sana
mbuya mono ningira na shora shiringa na lyo malyo ningira na shole shinju chingaki oyo minto Pamela na irani rasho
mbuya mono minto matagaro asengenjo mweshimiwa matagaro na to koroka igo minute nga abantu baminto kubachakira gukoroka igo gyancheru gorana igoro gyancheru miyamana so kuira chinse chao gocha ko gutubati sigana na gutotebya bune manifesto ya ere na gutotebu no tetu chokonya abantu babunchari inche ekinda gotebi yukankelinga gaki mekita bauti nyasacha wanza kuire mekita bauti oro sita bauti asomo chubo yani ase constituency ya bonchari usije ito ya bonchari ero rekane buya ekibazo kiratoke kenyo kiratoke konya abantu baminto egere ense yeito gusiye ito erorekane kere ensabi erorekane kisukuru kya mentiru abangino gakyo bakonye abana abanyaruka kisukuru kyaga kinya itali kyagache naende na intubu na twako bwa twakoretira seredi yeito naende gogoche koira ntutake gokorangeri back naende gero nyare kwa abantu baminto interview naende nyare ko batebisi gwaikire egento nkelina neki ekero kogenda twagusabire buya naende twagusabire nyasago konye egere asibinto byonse byogokora bikorekana asinginjo wanchani wa nyasaye mbiya mana sogo twachinsa naende nagusabire amaya
mbuya mono yo minto Pamela ashogo kolera omoshike matagaro omoshike momanyi na kwanete lingana ga kabuli ngakero kende kwarachire ase zone egento gerago tebinga ogende kero kenda ase zone yomoshiko nyanja okonyo angambali go kwakura obatebinga otumie mbino watanga bononye molikonga kaego sinu ro something like that ya ko bolinga watemire gintu ne kigusingana ona chira sole oruwa bosemi bwa mwali ya shabantu bonzi bagotegerete bonchali engima no monchali gochuko gwakire kura tara 23
Mbia bana etajwa na chwari etajwa na mumanyi na ndio kwa ni hiyo ndio Pamela kwa ni kwanza ile manifesto ikina kwa ni mono ese kubuli abayo kitone nyete na gara ndio tayo cha kile manifesto na polisi nje viek ndio tayo wote ya wanchari ikiapo vitala kwa ile ya kile takuti atizo echo korara mutwe nje vieka ndio che mutwe ifege tekirege in return pero mundu akorwa naye bakasenya inibona muda bagasomo achigo abantu baitira benjali ndi babulire ndikaze amwe ayichengo takorera sikyara kisara cy'abantu cyatezirena ichengo yeke mumanyo minto nomanyete ya kabisa asoko biri n'abantu ichengo de most neutral atawa wali batemene ichengo nyanda libangete ukwana na nche ni always speak with them lakini lakini kama ona campaign apparently campaign ya hiyo kwa kana bantu bawo deal mbali we charali ndio ngira kwa na bantu abakari campaign sembo tiko abakari to sino kinyenda butuko bari kibe batore ni campaign mbali we tiko bato ya bantu ibaya ingando kora kwa na bantu tiko na bona ngenda nje nuko nabeka ndio bantu sawa ikiweze sawa kirichukura lakini however nje nogeza noro wherever you need to go namu aende nyayo kichukura karapokora arandu ende ndira unyerma karinya na samaze mone wo chali karanga kukumera na samaze ne jange ne yekani na wotele supportive abatogo alserama acho monto watanga ya strong na wone maliga strong waliana ivo ro kan feature nzero feature na pagare paisa na nzero we have no problem like that we are always together oya no vi ko na nzero no ya o de por pero pasa problem no monto todo tema coordinado que venga la que cubra I wonder whether hata yotengo ndika hata na coordinate tinda kutigiro da tingi Chalera, but I am not clear that I am not Bonchari. Then in a way, you change the other day in a Chikuru. Then I read Chikura. Chalera, according to you, why can't you support him after the one to that note and a war with a Mondi? I have a one minute, I have a celebrated Niaki, a Tarako, Matagari. Kera ejerwe kutoka no TV what that what in pattern and I will in the beginning of the show. Ikiagera ejiye kamera that in kaikora wesengo kwa na kore asekerende ejukwamu igera bini abel como kwani ni mwanzo na kore picha kore nara ni kare tsaine ne kiapa kore tonchero but in Charlie, we should all be together. And this is now and Charlie. You have to campaign, Okuanani, and Kiarakiro, or not to the thing, the Guranaya, Maya, Metagraph, Janaya, Maranaya, Ronaya, Malakala. No, don't you? I wonder about the young articulate, there is life and death. There is life after the vote. There is life after the vote. Because I've said nothing in the Maragata. And all the time, once it's through, we continue with our own business. From Ganandla and Nakali. This voting is only just until the bad. Let's all be friendly. Let's try to see what each another has. Of course, members, we have to want to speak. They say, Kirongata, Ibranga Vivia, Ibranga Child. The Binda Garatu, because of this idea, was the Gete, the Musonda. The servant, Lavan child. As we are into the Pugutina, Takazali, the Kurana, Mutra, Mawata, Avazara, one child of water. Let's be friends, let's be together. Voting is not life and death. There is life after the election. Nandin Kovia, and Tagitum Mumbuatusi. So, Korevacha, and the team was dealing with Guadacha, we want to get the Valvo to speak the six. So, more in that team, in the Korean and child in what. That's a young boy and Korea and Taliban, that then, that angel is that key. Ya cover change. We are putting our year. A king and the change, the change the year of the power of Matagari, the king
mbuyamano mheshimiwa ashukwira chinga kichio chia bene ko ba mona intwe musongo na rego kare ko ngomania ngakero keno mheshimiwa na ata koiwa na koiwa kolende na bongo cha almost kimo manyi na ya chingi yako butukirake ninko eli baga kolera ni no boshemi bwa obwo mali omusongo kwana ngolinga ne elimo to chonga ke chingu ndingo jara ronseli
kaya ni gona kwa kambia mana sengencho mugambi akwanira mangana yengencho sana ngande niga esimi asobuto kera kulita ngani mana tevile na manyitenga ne rakine ne bia mana sokora na ncho mugambi ni gona le wa kambia mana asa mangana kwa rule yengencho sana kwa tuare chinga kingia naenda mangana kwa boli runa bangina bengencho ga buna bangina baminto bale ga bo banyencho na bakabale kaga bali kumanya igoro ya mangana aho uno mugambi w'ikugambira abantu orene kanisa nganono murayi kanisa ya kwa umulisi ya kwa kanisa korai kanisa karabwa tenka igone ngwete community kwatebe no bwatenka orena abantu bawo n'abantu bago supporting agenda mutuguna bono abande bacho batabwati mukungu batabwati bakungu babo no mukungu nero kwa ka buna bono twaje kumuganya tukwane na itomo ikikura rene atokwa ikikura igone n'abana nabwo abantu nabuna bwaba boliya mangana yengenje kuruga ntubego wakius nesengenje twago chorire nande kwatumira umwana kikurusiga neriya torira abancyari mono amangana ngo nibara maitongo umwororo abantu babuncyari bari kuigwa mangana bona mangana ya makoro tigaba de tigabere twala gukwana nende nga chick project jirwa taibwa na fund stone and teaching kora abantu bayibete nande la kubori chikurobo so shemon dem ba kubori chikona ne bayibere chibese serikali chibese chabantu oche chokole changes on the security department abantu bayibere bintu byatari caring transportation matatu police department in corruption yoka no arena mangana mange energy yongo tumeri chibese kuruga abantu ba muri bunga chitema masami amangana itochi wasoro aenda open your office asabantu bakwachi kurato chikuye bakurira ne sabantu gukwana nabantu bawo ndabo setiri tukuli gukwana nabantu bawo kwanya amangana ibirenga y'abantu corruption igabuchi amarimu taito mu no mana naenda bakanyamira karinwe taito yae agaga kuruchi anga kababo sakamenya kwa we taito bako musabati beta corruption emi ndabune bidi ya chande busi ya chande abarayi babusi baruro na bara basa kanga ni tukuna metua kusiya ni tokire tarinya nyamanya tarima ka bubo cyari yoka iyonde getobe ke sambe kiya abantu barenga kweri change into tari tokore change abantu bakaba bayirebo asobisi yaho tikakobeka abayiri ki contract tiwate abatira kwa abayiri bakonyona basubati bami ntoro bago bami no ba security obisi abago kiya abantu bago kiya menyeri kaba bayirebo nyasana lyara gusenyese ezerachi yokuboy I believe anya abantu bari kwa uchikura yosai na chore tu muntu na mangana otigabaye abe kwemeza bunore ngo kwana mangana ukonya abantu kintakana bakunguru kiwido abana kintakana mbaro batanya batavuga ati none njera bakuruwo obakonye none asatini nyabantu bari ga baba bati kibiye siba ibere kinata ko none abantu buno bacandegita abantu baro bebira malira abakivu bawo sabakibere kiyini abakivu mu kivu abana bakubwa balimu abekira abana bantu kinga isiko gabu abarayi baroro bana bane skuru ngono tumbwega bana kiro ka batikuri skuru ase nja bane bako babeka abana kinga abantu bane skuru aba basajia bakunga abantu umugambia magana na mange okoimupya amangana na mango musyo abakuimukiro nya kugusabera atiye oya kora so mane nya sakubwati kimbo ati amanga na rayi nje na gukwana ko bamusongo ndizindi ko rugaho rakinye no ko muhamato akinya yoro murayi bwa bagusi we serikali na ureza respect yunanga kimo ngabwe ko serikali biamono ontilia so kongirani bakare no je mugambi yoni wona na izini mbateli ya gusi ya barayi baba ya abantu baba ekene biamono
Mbiyamano Msongo Lare, North Carolina. Mwaka 1988 serikali igachiga tebanga tigatutu reji constituency kero yaji woe Diego aga lia suchingongo chemo njari muske protas ke batimomanyi eki ama tu abwate kemo one party system nkanu yare kugamba aga somo obo jumbe na kanu kagambe miaka Keroika 92 na haraka guchukura kurukanu akaira 97 musike John Opore akagune tikiti ya kanu kolende 2002 Ford people gatebanga gushito agenda na Ford people akaira na 90 na Ford people 2007 musike Charles Onyancha gaswa 2014 ningo guchiko swagushe niko togende teko kolete rumoro belio yegoro yechukura chiabonchali kuyokora tole ayo minto mwaka busire I hope taliri boli kwa bwate. Onye no comment. Hello.
Ya wa ambe mono mo ga yo soko ngoli baba ko na echa
kwanyanga pio kwantuta yo minto moralia wakade bia sana soka yetu yo minto kurubonchari na tuapi ngambi ya mono na wale ibuli chinchi yake ziyo ya Kenya eyo ndio yo ita Kenya na bonene obonene na nan kurwa na no monto busonga bula ambisio executive officer yaro monene oro lata yo chibe se monto no vendo go yo certificate ya auta kwa takora amagoko certificate otukori certificate yo mwana yo tene fire ya boli lunch kwa lunch okoira na iga kwa na ya leto ebintu byose itabu Kenya ne ibe mono biro bibe abantu barakonya n'abantu bareke yake umuntu kareke ina ande bintu kereke ubone saba chumbe one gabu nako saboyo nako kebiye ga yeto rule ngambi yakwanire lakini mambie simie yabwa tena agaso kwende abisi yako tuwa simibere simie yamoya abasani baye simie abantu bari batakeki ona no mwaka karo koiguna nya tobwa to yo mose ito na ira nakabere egente keita kera erito eri yaki chibesa bako egwa muna mo into kenya pa abantu chibesa cheba kitutu no omo chumoro ya rueto agase akaruwa ra akorobo sana ande yeye tugo cha sere chibesa leta muna mo bakwa somo into kenya achie abantu babo nchari bako egwa anywera na ruwa muna omo chumoro ya tala batarabokia akora abantu chibesa bakitana abantu bande bamena tinde mambi na ndi kozo kwaka chiaba bosa monto runowe awire tukura bogambi mboye bo Kenya abuo ola gane turu no mo igo ko genda abuya bamwe bansiyo bakoiba abuna abayi wa Kenya abuo na kitu akamete ko gwa abantu abande tukayo taka kujina tocho rara pya abantu bana baba barianya kya abuya
mbuya mono mwaka busire almost ke matagaroni garwe namba yaye na ndote banga ne rago chakuboria nga connect gune system kere to etigare na inde ko kolegasi te yale ndo chingi namba yo bisirira almost ke mumanyi karwango bose mu mwali go chia semo kisangyo
mbuya mono sana to kongira na inde yang ngenda ase bororo ko rwagana na kuona mangana yangu kwana muna wana ngukwana iga na endu yana matagaro na manyite enyagitari ko kunya magundo gerege cyeri cyaye bari gonga yana nero nyagitari geta kero gutwara ibintu biri do sana necessity ye ko gare nyagitari amati kitaya ninchi cho kire clean amaja aro are constant Bono muna to kwana iga Bonchari constituency ya iru more than $500 billion shillings. 550 something thousand million. 500 plus million, almost $500 billion. There is nothing you can show. But in Italy, you want to get one money to make your match. Umurona guamo nyacho kwana ngana rocha chakobeka emere rukia se Italy. These are necessities. Egaroko na Italy, okobe okorualigwa ige sunteni. Kechi besa chiaru mweshimiwa mataka. Ama achina nya magunde nya Italy ko mege sema. Isku kirari. Muna to kwa na iga na koli research na terunwa. E pale kurukisi ya nganda mgoli. Is the only tarmac road in Bonchari. Ili alengo from I can't remember before independence. Other than here ya Musando, ko nganda Itirio na ko Itirio ko nganda Kerugo. Ya lemetwe a few years back. Other than that, si parakini chao kina matao. Ito watu wana manganai. Aiya igara mabe, we just don't want to go there. Ikiagara wana go to kura no kuchimagega. Na ta watinda kura no kuchimaga. I want to kwa iru yanga. We will call each other. We will sit through the development committee. So we can agenda message. So lo evita serikali national government yekorwa. Evento county government yekorwa. Tuligirina into our priorities to set. Ukito takira ko para fast. Evento mune revolving fund kibata kitu ko create awana wali wako school wako kobesa wacha atire biashara. That is the priority number 1. Ukubaligiriye gati outside Kenya. That's priority number 2. egera abana bari baise baoniria amarimo bakabaire paka university banyoleri bagaba kanyolera bagende kugurira ise something na mange turakwane. We don't want to bring everything out here. Nikarara koro mukondo karua soil office. We'll sit down on the plan. Biamono sana.
Mbuyamono muski Alex Momanyi. Mbuyamono mwancho matagiria sincho tagiria bagusi Global Radio na kwera chinga kuchiwa ne kigma go nyara kobago kwana no muski matagaro na wego sogo tagiria radio mwetinge chinsha mo chinsi. Konta yete kote banga kerokinde mamincha y'abantu banda bantu maitembole bakwiranga kerokinde bakwiranga abantu babere bagote banga inwe moko na okwana kuru diaspora kerokinde chikura chino igochire on social media ashingi njabantu batata gitigonjore libirengere libyabo mbana kumanyanga kerokinde bono igense bunere digital na kerokinde buna bono to kwana iga kerokinde umuntu kwana iga nyolire chikura chinyinge kubwo karo on the ground bali kumanya ashingi njobono buna bono tukabwata bategere iri tukolia twa tegere abantangeli busita 200 toro online tinda aligere niende lakini abuna bundo chibona iga abantu abakero yomo akire omuntu abasobogali abatebinga kuranje akikura ono bono mwancho mutege buna tuigure eganga yaitenene noko gotebinga kupiga kura ni haki yako tubaiso kurara mwana gotebanga kero kende tindi kuchiko chora nyalabe bono lero liri kirio tikandale kuso muntu nga batangete besa bono tindi kuchiwaka yaya bono akira abayori akira abamuraba minto basubati ba minto abashani abairi batebinga tare 23 wegatoge tebe na kero kende onye kurucha mangana asari kireke nyoro nayo ko yasalia na kyuko yasalia otali wake kura no manyetinga asoko taka chikura buya na ayigo gwachora ulio choruoro aya bono rangelia abantu bamino elinde mobatebyenga naki mwatebire baguchi waka chikura chinshamo chiria chiagushi aya bono olino ntiria shembeo abagusi Global Radio ingini ngoma neno bera mona ebya mono kima ashogo chora kwa mona into muskimata gara asante sana na we looking forward to tayanga mona na koro wancho kwaye kira nyale kanenga naye kwira bado na boto kwana naye buna wati kire goteba ntwiga nga yeto bunege tureli nigo tukumanya abantu na anturange kigima kumanya abantu baita mangana.
More than 50 years before our country began her journey, we began our own. Walking with our customers across the majestic land that would one day be called Kenya. We were there on December the 12th, 1963, and we've been here ever since. Building trust and unleashing potential at every turn. To buy homes, educate children, build businesses, save for the future. Investing to build our nation, innovating better and easier ways to bank, welcoming everyone into our family every day. Sharing success and partnering to make a difference. Today, we share these opportunities not only with Kenyans, but also with our neighbors across the region. And as we look to the future, we proudly pledge to continue this work, finding new ways for the People's Bank to help our customers make more, do more, dream more. Unlocking tomorrow, today. KCB, making the difference.
Bono abagusi Global Radio nigo tolembe ochinza chonzi abagusi Global Radio wetira ashe number 484-718-0583 484-718-0583 chinza emeronge bire na inye mambi mubasona maragoba nonye nobo tukumwensi amatera yoko bako kurandia na oboteberani abagusi Global Radio nero yoke gokwa omogo na obumanyu tagitinda bono abagusi Global Radio ngochire go kubwatania no mugusi nzingima ejare kwemwe ndoto yo mugusi tonyore abagusi Global Radio.com. Yes, wano abagusi Global Radio ingata ya majagetinga.
Ask yourself, could you, would you, sit idly by and watch a child starve to death before your very eyes? Could you, would you, push a child into a burning building? Place a pillow over a child's face and listen as they gasp for air. Fight for life. Because that's exactly what you are doing when you decide a life you brought into this world is not your responsibility. This is not rocket science. It's a baby, your baby. Give them a fighting chance at life. Start now. Support your child. Pay child support. Save a life today, the life of your own child's. Your Conscience is being brought to you today by the Office of the Attorney General, Child Support Division.
This is the place for the consistent music you've grown accustomed to. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 7 days a week. This is your location for maximum music. AGR-FM.
So